Right now, 7:22, and we have a first alert morning for us. As you take a look right now, you're able to see that we, at least outside, this is we have some cameras switching back and forth, but I can show you that we do have the rain right now falling on some of our roadways, and looks like a little bit of a butterfly or something hanging out on the lens. They're trying to get out of the rain as well. We'll skip past that graphic because that might scare you just a little bit. Through our midday, we have a first alert warning in place. Heavy soaking rain, some storms and flooding is going to be possible. As you take a look right now at Clybourne Park, and really soggy, the grass wet there. Flooding rain this morning, multiple flash flood warnings continuing. This is what's new. Heaviest rains now shifting east. We're slowly seeing some improvement, but we've seen nearly 5 to 7 inches of rain in some localized spots. The rain and storms will be ending by midday as that cold front does continue to move east. You're going to be seeing that sunshine peak out later on this afternoon. Looking at the first alert, satellite and radar combined, we do have the light to moderate rain continuing through parts of the Metroplex, still causing problems on some of the area roadways. Flash flood warning continuing for Collin, Dallas, Rockwall, Tarrant counties until 8 o'clock. Further to the south, that flash flood warning also does include Ellis, Bosque, Johnson, and Hill County until 8 o'clock because of so much rain that we saw in the overnight period. 7:23 now. If you're just now joining us, you can see that the heaviest rain, the thunderstorms, now shifting further to the east. Still, though, we do have the thunderstorms through parts of Navarro County, Henderson County, stretching our way down through parts of Anderson County and into Freestone County. And some of the heaviest rain now approaching parts of Athens, Cayuga, also stretching our way to near Richland down to near Fairfield. Notice in the west sides of North Texas, we are drying out just a bit. Still, the cloud cover is sticking around, but you can see the loop over the last 18 hours really showing as we saw the upper level energy get closer towards North Texas. We saw the training storms over the same area over the Metroplex and a lot of North Texas near the 35 corridor. So we saw the flooding concern happen, and we still have that flooding concern this morning. Where's the upper level energy now? It still is shifting its way closer towards the panhandle. Both Texas and Oklahoma continue to move out of parts of New Mexico. So we still have that energy rotating its way through. At the surface, we have an area of low pressure and that cold front approaching for us. That cold front will move in from west to east later this morning, and that allows us to dry out. But look at how much rain we've seen over just a 12-hour period. Sampled by our radar, as much as 2 to near 7 inches of rain, a little bit more than 7 inches of rain near Rockwall. Now, rainfall yesterday at DFW was 2.80 inches, which was a new daily record. So far today at DFW, we've seen more than 1.25 inches. The previous record was a little less than 1.25 inches. So another day where we've seen record rainfall, and you can see the rainfall totals in Grand Prairie, more than 5 inches of rain to 4 inches in DFW, Rockwall about 3.5. But watch how we see the rain coverage start to diminish through the late morning hours. And by the time we go to midday, I'm going to drop our first alert warning because we're seeing improving conditions for us. Looking at what's happening right now, the flood watch until noon, you can see still is in place for the same areas that we've seen so much flooding rain. But the first alert futurecast shows that we have the heaviest activity continue to shift east. Look at the cloud cover. It's going to be clearing its way on out as we go into the afternoon hours as that dry air starts to move in. Right now, it's not dry. DFW is still reporting rain in 56 degrees with a northwest wind at 7. We are dealing with the rain still for us across North Texas. It's 53 in Bridgeport to 57 in Addison, 55 in Burleson to 56 in McKinney. It's a little bit cooler in Bowie at 52 to 50 in Graham, seeing 61 though in Athens, 68 in Palestine. So as we go through the remainder of the morning hours, we might start to see some sunshine peek out. I think that more happens closer towards midday. 61 degrees on our way up today to the mid to the upper 60s in the forecast. It is going to be a warmer afternoon, and your first alert 7-day forecast shows after we have our first alert morning, and then the afternoon hours will be pretty nice. And then look at this beautiful weather as we go through the weekend. 74 degrees on Sunday, near 80 degrees on Monday.